Today we are going to review a newly launched product by the name Traffic Cloud. We are going to discuss about the flash sale and my special bonuses that come along with the product. These bonuses are not available anywhere else and we'll tell you how to access these bonuses free of cost. If you are into e-commerce, affiliate marketing or any other form of digital marketing, then you must be aware that getting traffic to your landing page is the single most important task that you need to accomplish. Getting traffic can be the most easiest of all, but only when you do it in a strategic manner. Traffic Cloud helps you solve this problem seamlessly. If you wish to try Traffic Cloud yourself at a discount price, then do check out the link in the description of this video. But I would highly recommend you watch this video to find out whether this product is for you or not. Now you have the landing page ready with you and you also have the domain and web hosting ready. Suppose you also have the email autoresponder ready with you. If you have no strategy in place to harness traffic, then all your efforts are wasted entirely. The best way to drive targeted traffic is to buy paid ads using social media or Google. But not everyone has the budget to drive traffic using paid ads. This is where Traffic Cloud comes into picture. Traffic Cloud is an online web-based solution that helps you fetch traffic from prominent social media platforms like Facebook, Tumblr, Imgur, Twitter, and many more. Traffic Cloud has a database of billions of social media posts that can be scheduled and posted on all of these platforms simultaneously. There are millions of codes available which can be inserted into these posts with a single click. If you want to use your own posts, you can upload them into the software and use that as well. Traffic Cloud comes with the option to track your click-through rates and other parameters on the same dashboard, so you don't have to log in and log out from 10 different dashboards. Once you start using Traffic Cloud, you will realize how easy and effortless content marketing can be in general. Social media can be a job that requires 24 hours vigilance, but once you schedule all your posts, you can easily take a break whenever you want. Traffic Cloud will schedule everything like a robot. You can access Traffic Cloud from any other device in the world just in case you are traveling. You not only have no limits on where you can work from, but you can also have control over how many hours you want to work and when to take a break. You do get access to some training so that you don't get lost in the details. This training can help you understand how to use the system and make money efficiently. If you plan to purchase Traffic Cloud today, then do check out the link in the description below because we have arranged for some free bonuses if you purchase Traffic Cloud. Here is a list of the free bonuses that you'll get access to immediately after you complete the purchase. You will get a copy of Deadly Affiliate Marketing Mistakes. In this ebook, you will learn a lot about the do's and don'ts about affiliate marketing. What are the common mistakes done in running paid ads or organic traffic, and how you can avoid making those mistakes. These days, the internet is flooded with information so much so that it is difficult to distinguish between a winning move and a losing move. This ebook has, however, got you covered. You will also get a copy of Content Marketing 101. In this ebook, you will learn a lot about various traffic sources that can be used to drive targeted traffic to your websites. For instance, websites like Best Deals UK, Poll, Reddit, and many more underground traffic sources are seldom talked about on YouTube. With this ebook, you will learn all of them instantly free of cost. Lastly, you will also receive a copy of Boost Online Sales in less than 7 days. With this ebook, you will learn methods that help you drive traffic that are quick and require lesser preparation from your end. These methods can be used in e-commerce, dropshipping, freelancing, or any other form of online business. You can easily scale your business to new heights once you know the tactics. Now, each of these ebooks cost about $37 each and aren't always available for purchase. But since you are buying this product through our reference, you will receive all of the ebooks free of cost. If you try hiring a consultant who would teach you all of this, then this might cost you a fortune. On the other hand, if you try learning everything yourself, you might once again risk losing a lot of money. But today you can rather learn everything yourself from other people's mistakes and winning moves and save a hell lot on money and efforts. This offer may expire soon and will not be available even at 3 times the price. Check out the link in the description below and purchase Traffic Cloud along with all the bonuses. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a great day.